Ma'am, I'm a good scorer in mathematics. There is no need of improving, developing my ideas or behavior. What else I have to do with this behavior and ideas or attitudes? She may raise the question. Like Adityan will also speak. Ma'am, I'm okay. I'm good looking, handsome guy with a chandanam on my forehead. So sweet smiling face with the whole body parts in a full condition, energetic. My entire body mechanism works very energetically. Then why I need such a stupid soft skills for me? Could you have such questions in within you?
No, ma'am.
No, never, never. Why then? Tell me. Tell me.
And because of skill is to improve our
Yeah, because these soft skills, Amal, what you are doing, my dear? Develop our personality. We are in need of good personality along with our hard skills. Along with our hard skills, we need the personality or personality traits or soft skills along with your hard skills. Hard skills are the skills which you are acquiring from, gaining from your learning the text. But here, rather than learning, then the twist. Rather than learning, it's training. Yeah, you get trained daily. Just think about, just go back few years back. Few years back, till that you are in the nursery class, play school. Just assume. It's an assume. Okay, you are all are in the play school. Uma having a big water bottle in her hands, and she is not at all ready to keep her water bottle aside. This is one of the special characteristics of the KG students. You all are iron. It's not a water bottle. Keep it aside. So when you reach the KG classes, you must have some of the other things along with you. A teacher number of times you call her as a miss. Number of times the miss ask you, Lakshmi, keep your bag aside, keep your water bottle aside. Is it? Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then after 1 week instruction, you are not ready to keep it immediately after the listening the instruction. After a long 1 week instruction, you could behave like, okay, this is my classroom. This is not my home. This is the classroom. I am here to learn something. So I could not keep any belongings of mine along with me. So the bench and desk is provided to me. So I could keep my text and I could keep my other belongings on the table or by the side of me. First lesson. Am I? Then in between, during the recess time, otherwise the lunch time, teacher may teach you. What are the etiquettes you could follow there? The good manners. Could keep a towel along with you. Place it. Then keep your lunch box. Don't spill it, anything. So like so many basic lessons you already learned. From where you learned? From where you learned?
School.
School.
From our
School taught
teachers.
you. Their school is not teaching you, training you. Am I right? The school is training you. You got trained. That means even LKG itself only, or UKG itself only, when you are in the classroom, you found that immediately by the entry of your teacher, you could stand up and teacher. You could say like that only. I don't know how you are. Wherever children, whenever I am moving to the classroom, the children speak like this way. Like, good morning, teacher.
Good
I mean, yeah,
morning.
I mean, most of the time I'll ask them, are you want to sleep me? I'm not in the cradle to sleep, just like a cradle song. So the children are get habituated with that. You are habituated. You got trained that. You are not learned over there. You trained. According to the time, you could wish. Then how to behave in the classroom, whether in front of the teacher. Some children still behave very indecently. Indecently they behave. Like, see, Angelia, she's a very sincere student I found. You all are sincere students. You all are sincere students. But here I found she is more sincere than others. Means her face is reflecting like that sincerity. It doesn't mean that Lakshmi, you are not a sincere. You too sincere. You too sincere. All are sincere and lovable. But I'm just taking one by one example. See, every day in every lecture, she could have some hair band. If she feels that she is sitting in the classroom. Angelia, I'm correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm correct, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm correct, Uma?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I correct, Amna? If I am wrong, you can speak like that. I am? Do you observe her? She with that spirit she used to sit. She never moves here and there. She never looks here and there. Shane enjoyed very much. She never looks here and there. Parvati, you too. She never looks here and there. She is such a way she is concentrating. She feels that. She felt it. She is in classroom. Dear students, this is one part of your skill. It means that you trained like that. That day I told you, you are the only one class I am enjoying the lecture very much. I found, means I broomed like anything. Because I am getting that energy from your class, from your, maybe from your personality traits. Personality traits plays a vital role. Suppose you are talking to some other one. Amal, that time, the person is not reacting you. The person is not reacting you. Not looking at you. Amal, look at me. Not looking at you. When you are, means even in the market, even in the any celebrations or anywhere with your friends, with or without your friends, with your kith and kin, that time you are just going on talking. That time the person is not concentrating you. Aditya, unmute and speak. The person is not concentrate you, or they are not giving any feedback to you. What do you feel?
Bad.
What do you feel, Lakshmi?
Frustrated.
You just feel, you get immediately frustrated. Am I? Amal, what do you feel that time?
Yes.
What do you feel that time? Unmute and speak. Unmute and speak. You feel that? Whether I am right or not? Is it? Immediately that come. In our, yes, Gauri, you want to speak anything? Yes, come on.
No, ma'am.
No. So immediately come in our mind. My God, whether I said anything wrong, this right or wrong, always get confused, judgmental. That time immediately come to the judgmental way. So dear students, some basic lessons which always motivate you, train you how to develop your personality, and it is a reciprocal to you. This attitude, ideas, and behavior, it's a reciprocal to you. Reciprocal means, you know, the reciprocal word in physics as well as in mathematics. It is the equation is reciprocal. When you learn the variables, the teacher taught you. It's a reciprocal to each other. Both the side you can solve. You'll get the answer. Reciprocal. When the ideas are good, surely the attitude is good. When attitude is good, surely the behavior is good. When behavior is good, of course, exactly your personality will be. Your personality will be. So our personality are what soft skills we learn perfectly. Now we are moving to the next part of the soft skills. Why we need soft skills, or what is the importance of soft skills in our life. Okay, that is the next point for discussion. Yes, I'm asking questions to you, my dear friends. You only give me the answer. Why we need personality?
Because personality describes ourselves.
Tanmaya, great, wonderful answer.
Ma'am, Tanmay.
Tanmay, sorry. Sorry, Tanmay. Tanmay, he looks Tanmaya. That's what I'm calling Tanmay. Okay. Don't be angry with me. Excuse me, because I am new. No, I'm new means I'm new to Kerala too, because your names, the long 25 years in Maharashtra changed me lot. My language, my accent, everything influenced me lot over there.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
personality also recognize how we can recognize the person.
yeah, exactly. Who given the answer? Shane.
Shane.
Shane. Okay. See, of course, the personality is the identification mark. How a person, the facial expression. This all about your top to bottom. Personality is the is an identification mark. It's a mark of identity. You know, different personalities. Just look around. Even I'll ask you the movies, you may give me the answer. Ma'am Mohanlal, Mammootty. How many of you are Mohanlal fans? Just raise. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many of you are Mammootty fans? Mammootty fans, 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal. Mammootty fans and Mohanlal fans. Children, when see any comedy or anything, that time, immediately they may act Mammootty or Mohanlal what style? Mohanlal, they will act like this. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. One shoulder down.
One shoulder down, then Mammootty,
One hand.
Mammootty like this. Mammootty like this. What else? What it speaks, my dear?
His
I mean, one of the movie
personality.
Mohanlal is
Ah,
They are
that.
having different personalities.
ah.
How we can recognize that person?
Yes, yes, I am coming to you.
I mean, one movie Mohanlal has
Ah,
that
one movie,
appearance.
only one movie,
No, ma'am.
Mohanlal.
Most of the movies.
Most of the movies, that means his body language is like that. He kept his one shoulder up, and always, most of the time, he keeping his one shoulder up. I can't because I am not
And
a
one
comedy.
shoulder down and right back.
One shoulder down, and he's like this. Something it is like that. When it will be in actual class, we must have. Now it's not impossible. It is very mum Allu Arjun. Okay, here it is Allu Arjun. Good, great. So see, my point is the striking factor. The striking factor. I'm moving to that. The striking, the Mammootty is acted by, mimicked by, acted by, or reproduced by his hands movement. Is it? Some
Yes.
of the movies, I think it is CBI or CBI
Sedu
directed.
Ramayya CBI.
Setu Ramayya. I'm not that much to movies because I told you, know, the long 22 years there in Maharashtra, I'm very much away from the Malayalam movies, and even though I'm not at all fond of movies. But occasionally I'll do, Angelia. Occasionally I'll watch. Okay. Okay. So see, Mohanlal's shoulder down, Mammootty's hands movement. These two factors striked. Is it?
Yes.
This is of what?
To recognize them.
To
Recognize
the body
the
language.
that
personality.
person.
We recognized, identified. easily identified. That means a small child, even the child of 1 year can also identify their personality by observing their
Body language.
yeah, exactly, Hessa, my dear. Here we are coming to the right path. That is our body language speaks more. So soft skill is none other than it's a training of our soft body language. Got it? I'm coming to the point. Soft skills are those skills which enhance our body language. Why we need the body language? Body language speaks more than that of your hard skills. More than that of your hard skills. I can say that Amal is engaging something over there. Why it's so? Why I identified that? I'm
By
not
his
at
body
home.
language.
I'm not with Amal.
Ma'am, by his
Then
body language.
because from the Amal's body language. Like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the most worshipped man, I can say
Great
that.
personality.
It's a great, uncomparable personality he is. He's an uncomparable. We can't compare Uma. We can't compare Abdul Kalam with anybody. But just see, just look at him. His skin is fair in color. I am telling me, skin is fair in color.
No.
He is so beautiful, like Dulquer. Dulquer, what is his
No.
name? Dulquer.
Dulquer
Salman, you help me in
No.
that case. Huh? In movies, Gauri,
No.
help me in between. So whether he is handsome, not beautiful. When we'll speak to beauty of the men,
Male.
masculine gender, we'll use a handsome.
Handsome.
Handsome. He is handsome like he was handsome like Dulquer Salman.
No.
No.
Give me the answer. He
No.
yes. Then he was heighted like Allu Arjun.
No.
Amitabh
Where
Bachchan.
is Allu
Amitabh
Arjun?
Bachchan, not Allu Arjun.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. He is heighted like Amitabh Bachchan.
No.
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 No. But still he was
Great.
Very
he is what we
personality.
can use.
Very
Still
talented.
He is the icon of sense of icon of India, not only India, the entire world. He admired like anything. Still, he is admiring. He is still, though he is not with us. From Aditya and Anoop, 8th day to everyone, 8th year.
Ma'am,
Yes,
because,
8th day is icon of the school.
Ma'am,
That you
no,
want to
ma'am,
tell?
one
Adityan,
girl
where is
just-
Adityan?
ma'am, because a sixth
Okay.
student came, so she asked which class is this.
He is the new student.
No, ma'am, Aditya is in our class. Sixth C student Prinova asked which class is this.
Prinova joined with you now.
Yes.
How?
Yes, ma'am.
How she joined with you?
Now she left. Now she left.
Now she
Ma'am,
left.
now she
Okay.
left.
And by mistake.
Okay, by mistake. Okay.
I'm in 6C.
Might be Pranava is a great fan of me. Is it? Might be Pranava is following me. She might be the great fan of me. That's what she is following me. Very
Role
good, wonderful.
model.
My happy hormones are developed.
model.
I am just flying over in the sky. Okay, my dear children.
Ma'am, she again joined.
She again joined. Pranava,
Yes, ma'am.
And left.
leave now. Okay, leave. Okay, now come on. Don't disturb us, Pranava. I'll come to you later. Okay, so skills. It speaks more about personality than about your hard skills. Personality skill means nothing. It is with your skinny color of the skin, your height, your hard skills, but it's all about your
Body language.
top to bottom body language. Not only Dr. Abdul Kalam, Nelson Mandela. Do you know Nelson Mandela?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi, very beautiful
APJ
example.
Abdul
Thank you,
Kalam.
Gauri. Never watch any dress. He's a classical man. I can say that. He's a
Ma'am,
classical.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yeah, APJ Abdul Kalam, we already discussed, man. So, up to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, never ever went to Reliance, Trend or Max for getting the good clothes. Ever? Just think here. Just
No.
think. Never ever he, Aditya, and where he went. Come on. So never ever he went for the shopping mall of Reliance. Yeah, Nelson Mandela too. Shopping mall of Trends or Max. We the people are very much fan of this Reliance Trends, Max, Mintra, then so and so on.
Ajio,
Yeah.
purple, Ajio, purple, Nike.
Ajio Purple, she's a great, that means purchasing power. She's
Shopping maniac.
shopping mania. She's a shopping mania. So never ever these people, they never even ever approach to any big malls, any cosmetic shops,
No.
or any beauty parlor
No.
for getting refreshed or getting well.
No.
But they always, they always, they always look themselves and polished themselves, and they represented their ideology. They must have their own, they kept their ideology strong. Am I right?
Yes.
Their
Jawaharlal
yeah,
Nehru.
their
Yes.
ideologies, they kept the idea, the non-violence, sacrifice, humanity, kindness. These are the skills of Mahatma Gandhi. He never ever approached violence. He said that non-violence is my weapon. And I'll give freedom through this non-violence only. That is his ideology. Like Nelson Mandela, he declared, fear is cowardice. You are not cowards. You
Ma'am,
should have
two Amals are there in the class.
two.
Two Amals are there in the class.
Two are there in the class. Just not down, Adityan. Okay, I couldn't go back. Whenever you are finding them,
I'm not me. Ayan.
you two.
Mama, Ayan. only.
Yes, ma'am. My same name, another person is there.
Another person.
Ma'am,
You
I
note
think
down.
that
You
is
note down.
Anthony.
You note down the names
Yes,
and send it to
ma'am,
me
that
in
will be
WhatsApp.
Yeah,
That
ma'am,
is
that
what
be
I am
Anthony.
telling.
Ma'am,
They are
that
very
will
much
be
big fan
Anthony.
of me. That's what they are following. I don't need any big fan. My 8th year students are very big fan of me. I like you people. Okay, leave it. My baby, maybe by mistake, but note down their name and give to me. Means you send it to me in my WhatsApp. Okay. So, my dear children, the personality or the soft skills speaks too much about you rather than your hard skills. As if you had seen that. This
Ma'am,
great personality, yeah.
now we left.
Now they left. When they'll come to know that we are noticed, that is what. Actually, leave it. Means maybe they missed their last lecture. Actually, the soft skill is common for all, no? But they are not knowing I'm giving something more to you. They are coming here to check it. But for the lower classes, I can't speak like this, no? I have to take some good manners or something else over there. Amal, you got bored, yeah? I'm not beautiful, yeah? Standing in front of you.
Yes.
And then why you are keeping your face like, okay. So the personality to person, then the question is, as we said, personality never ever graded or evaluated by their skin, height, or their hard skills. It's all about their ideas. It's all about their attitudes. It's all about their behavior. And the next point is, these persons all are behaving in a same way?
No.
No. Person to
No.
person, it is different. Am I right? Person to person, it
Yes.
is different. Am I right? Huh?
Yes.
Person to person, it is different. As we said, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, never ever went to Reliance or a Max or any for getting anything. He only having a small dhoti and with the help of two men or no two girls by the both the sides, and he walked like anything, he ran like anything. And only he kept his ideology strong. He never ever allowed to lose his ideology, miss his ideology. That was the greatness of that person. Like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like Nelson Mandela, like
Jawaharlal
Abraham
Nehru.
Lincoln. Yes, Gauri, anything?
Like Jawaharlal Nehru.
Like Jawaharlal Nehru, only the one and only ever Prime Minister always loves children and always keeping one rose flower on his couch. Such a beautiful identity, such a beautiful personality. It can't be copied down. It can be enacted. It can be reproduced. And like Swami Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda, the great man, the our world seen, the great man is the first speech in America. It is very wildly spread. My dear brothers and sisters, have you remember? When you'll get the time, you just try to listen his speech. His first speech in America. He never went for any accent class. He never went for any language class. Only the reading helped him. And he kept one
Like
ideology.
Shashi Tharoor.
Yeah, Shashi Tharoor. Such a wonderful. I adored him like. Wonderful. Wonderful. So that means the person to person, the personality differs. This is all about you. This is all about to each and everyone. How could we after 10 years? How could be where I should stand after 5 years? And you should decide today only. What's my role in my family, with my friends, in my classroom, in my college, and how or who I am after 10 years. So, my dear students, here I'm winding the session today's.
Thank you,
You are
ma'am.
enjoyed the session.
Yes.
Next Friday,
Thank you.
again move
Thank
to
you,
another phase.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
beautiful
ma'am.
students.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
Okay, to all of
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Wish
you,
you
ma'am.
Ma'am.
all the best luck for you.
Bye,
Keep
ma'am.
a good personality.
Okay,
along with
ma'am.
you. Okay, bye bye,
Bye,
dear. Bye
ma'am.
bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Love you all.